Finally gonna load her up, god damn it. I think we got a problem here, guys. It's from Amazon, you know, it's just something quick. Nope, it's not gonna get on. What is up, guys? Welcome to today's video. I'm here with Alan today. We're finally taking Subzilla back to the dyno. It's been a while. We're dusting her off today. As you guys can see, we did a few changes on her before taking her back to Premier Performance. Last time we had a fuel pump issue, so we had to cut the dyno short. So we installed this, what is it? How big this is? Forgot the specs on this. I think it's like a 7682. It's a Borg Warner, so we slapped that on. We changed the wastegate springs. That we forgot to do that before hitting the dyno. As some of you may have seen in the last video, we did a new wheel setup, some VMS racing with some Mickey Thompson slicks in the back. We took care of the wiring issue for the fuel pump. And here we had a whole bunch of goodies for Subzilla. We got 262s cams, dropping cams. We got some new coils. We got some solid motor mounts. Whole bunch of goodies for Subzilla. So our friends over at Premier Performance are gonna be taking care of the car today. Hopefully we can drop in the cams, do everything today, and go ahead and tune the car, retune it. Cause honestly, we're just waiting to get this thing ready to start, you know, creating some content, street racing, and hit the track, see what it does, you know, things like that, which I'm sure a bunch of you have been waiting for. But other than that, we're just gonna load her up real quick and head down to Nigel at Premier Performance. All right, guys, so like always, you know, late minute dyno stuff, prep. So what we're doing now, very quick before putting the car on the trailer, we put in that bong for the vacuum, yeah. See how much boost we're running. Another thing I missed out, guys, we powder coated the catch can, the coolant reservoir, a couple little pieces, you know. It looks nicer now. All right, guys, so we're finally, damn, I think it's loud. So we finally were able to get a trailer from Hertz. We really have to be, we gotta really look into trying to getting a trailer by the end of next year, because hopefully if the car, if everything goes good, we're gonna be taking the car to the track. So, you know, we have to really look into that, so buying a little flatbed for the car. So Alan is now gonna load up the car in the trailer, and we're gonna go ahead and pump some fresh E85, change the spark plugs over there at Premier Performance, and get it ready for the dyno. We got a problem here, guys. I think she's not gonna fit on the trailer. That's not good. Well, the issue with the trailer, guys, is that since we're running such a small wheel and tire in the front, sometimes the car doesn't clear, and we already damaged like the front bumper one time getting the car on the trailer. So hopefully this one works. This one is really for car hauling, so this should work. Let's see how it goes. You know, it's always the dyno day that you start getting the car starts crapping itself. So now we're having issues with the push button. It's from Amazon, you know, it's just something quick, but we definitely got to look into getting a different one, because this is the second one we order. So we're gonna try to get this fixed to be able to start the car. All right, guys, so Alan finally figured out what was going on. I guess it was the little ground issue there, and yeah, we're late to the dyno, but we'll be there. Finally gonna load her up, god damn it. We also got us the stock tires, stock wheels and tires for the dyno. I guess with the new tire setup, it's not gonna clear for the front end. So we're just gonna like load it up the other way around, reversed onto the trailer, and hopefully it won't like mess up the front end of the car. I hope that booty fits on here, because it's wide. It fits, but it fits perfect. It fits perfect. No, I don't think so. No. It's not scraping. Yeah, we're not gonna be able to go to the dyno, guys. We're gonna have to flatbed the car over there on a tow truck or something, because it doesn't clear. These trailers are way too tall. All right, guys, so we're gonna give it one last try. Here the floor is not completely leveled, so we moved the truck a little bit down that way and try to level out the trailer a bit more. We're gonna give it a shot, but if that doesn't work out, we might have to buy some wood planks to help the car up, which we don't have right now. So try number 3. Guide yourself by that line and just stay as close as you can. No. You have to like hug that side. Tienes que lo más que tú puedas. There you go. There you go. Straight. Alright, guys, so unfortunately we couldn't do it with the truck because the truck was too high. This is like the 5th attempt. This thing really drained me. What a struggle. We definitely gotta look into a trailer. Alright, guys, so we finally made it to Premier Performance. It's been a long day. We struggled a lot with that trailer. It's a single axle. It looked kind of sketchy with the car. We got caught by rain. We left with no hood, so the whole car got wet. So right now we're just letting it idle in there so it can get some, some temperature and dry itself out. Got some nice machines down here, as you guys can see. So right now she's just idling there, We're not gonna have much to do today because we got here pretty late, so most likely we're just gonna drop off the car and that'll be it for this video. And then most likely whenever he starts working on the car, then we'll go ahead and continue recording. You guys can see it's all wet. She's drying up. Even the back housing got rusted. All right, guys, so we spoke with Nigel. He's gonna take care of the car whenever tuning day, because he has to install the cam seals, do a couple stuff. So whenever he's gonna start tuning, then we'll go ahead and come back and for the dyno day. So these are our new t-shirts, guys. They're not for sale. If you guys are interested on them, you can go ahead and DM us and we can place an individual order for you guys. Pretty soon they will be up for sale. So yeah, just hit us up on the DM and then we'll go ahead and order a shirt for you guys. If we're gonna appreciate the support, and also make sure to subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff, and smash that like button.